Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how I converted an old fluorescent lamp with LED bulb and printed custom lamp shade. I already took apart an old lamp. As you can see here, one end of fluorescent lamp is darkened, and what's actually happened here is that the heated cathode is failed over time. Coating that was protecting cathode burned out and cathode overheated that caused a lamp failure. The ballast, I think, is still good. Anyway, I don't need the ballast anymore as I'll be using LED bulb, and I just need to figure out how to attach it to this stand. Using Onshape, I made a lamp shade model for 3D printing. Maybe the less is more in this case. I didn't place the model exactly at the center of the bed, and you can see the consequences. Extruder started to touch limit switch, and I needed to cut away about 1 cm from the top of lamp shade. But that is not a problem here. Let's check if I can assemble everything together. Everything was a bit tight, but I assembled it without problems. And now I need to do something with lamp shade. It has some cracks along print lines, and I need somehow to transform it to a solid object. My first thought was to do acetone vapor smoothing, but this method failed me. Container was way too big and the temperature in this workshop was close to zero, so nothing happened. My second attempt was conducted on a kitchen under hooded ventilation. I screwed a bottle sprayer to bottle with acetone and sprayed acetone on lamp shade. That worked surprisingly good. I sprayed acetone 2 or 3 times on the outside of the lamp and 2 times inside of the lamp. After this operation, lamp shade became like one solid object. Now I am not afraid of breaking it. However, acetone left some white spots, and now I need to think how to clean it. I tried to rub it with cleaning powder, but this didn't really work out. Then I used old wire brush, and that also helped to some extent. And then I received a few comments from relatives that surface finish is okay and I have other work to do. So I left it as is. I drilled a few holes on the top of lampshade to allow hot air to go outside. And that's it. Thanks for watching.